should vote for a good government. If you vote for a good government, then there will be no poor people.
I think all of us should vote because we need a brighter future. We need a brighter future to live in this country.
We've approached many schools for Junior Votathon, and principals have been very supportive and cooperative. They've been happy that they get such chance to let their students do something practically for their country.
I hereby pledge to register to vote and to cast my vote in the upcoming election.
If I am not able to vote, at least our adults are able to vote. If the adults will not vote, then who is going to vote? That is why, to make them aware, we should take this form and go to everyone.
This activity is excellent activity, so that younger people also will be responsible for what is going to happen in our country.
I got my first pledge. I think every citizen deserves to vote, because if one citizen doesn't vote, might be that the wrong person gets more vote and a wrong leader is chosen.
We need to vote because each and every vote counts. If each and every person votes the correct person, will get the vote, and then we'll have a brighter future. Or there will be a monarchy as the same person will get voted again and again. A good party should win. Not everyone can be the leader. Some good qualities in a leader should have, that it should stay calm, not do fight with other parties, take a step that everyone should have the right for education.
Your vote is important for my future.
Please go out and vote for a good government.